All right, what's up? So I'm gonna give you an update on the S10. I've been working on wiring the truck. I've been cutting the harness and repinning everything where I like it. So you can see I got the TPS done, the IAC done, the fuel pressure sensors done, the injector harness is done, the camshaft position is done. I relocated the oil pressure sensor down there. That way I can use the stock location to feed the turbos. I still have to shorten the coil harness, but I got the coils mounted and the wires made. Same thing on this side. The coils mounted and the wires made. So I have to shorten the map sensor and the passenger side coils. Map sensor will probably be here, and I drilled and tapped the intake, so I'll use this for the map sensor. This one will be for the fuel pressure regulator. This one will be for the blow off valves. I got a throttle cable installed, so that works now. And here I got power ran to the relay panel. I got the Holly wired up. I have the fuel pump wired up, so still have a lot more to do here, but it will power the Holly on and run the fuel pump. I picked up a precision performance shifter. I made this mount. I picked it up with a button, that way I can use that for a line lock. I made these mounts for the steering wheel button, so got the trans brake and the pump over there. Back here, I got the battery wired in, going to the shutoff switch and then going to the relay panel. So there's the shutoff switch. Fuel pump is wired in, so everything looks good back here. I got the charging cables ran over here. That way we can charge the 16-volt battery. Still got to pick up a 16-volt charger, but yeah, that's pretty much it. I'll go ahead and cycle the power for y'all. Power's on, so y'all can hear the fuel pump come on. So there's the panel, ignition on, you can hear the fuel pump run. The battery's about dead, so yeah, that's pretty much it. I'll probably remake this mount. I'm not happy with it. It works and it's air shifted, so it's not a big deal, but it's kind of tight for me to get it out of park. So probably move it up about 5 inches or so, and that'll be a lot better. But yeah, just wanted to give y'all a quick update. If you've ever wired a truck, then you know it's pretty tedious, so it takes a long time. So that's kind of what I've been doing over the last months, just slowly picking at it. Didn't want to mess up and have to extend anything. So, but yeah, that's gonna do it for this video. If y'all would, like, comment, subscribe, and yeah, I'll catch y'all next time when I got some more updates.